You've been paying the Apple tax for years, letting a basic black box sit under your TV, doing absolutely nothing. And honestly, Cupertino has been getting away with murder. But today, a massive supply chain leak just confirmed that everything you hate about the Apple TV is finally getting fixed. I'm talking about a complete teardown of what we thought a streaming device was supposed to be. For the longest time, the number one complaint has been the lack of actual 8K content. Why would you buy an 8K display just to watch upscaled 1080p YouTube videos that look soft, noisy, and completely artificial? According to recent reports from Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is not waiting around for Hollywood to catch up. They're launching the Apple TV Vision Pro, and it features a brand new neural 8K upscale engine that creates the 8K experience entirely on device. This is not the basic upscaling your TV currently fumbles through. The AI inside this new box is trained on raw cinematic data to rebuild edges, recover lost textures, and actively strip out the compression noise that standard processors leave behind. Taking a look at the data from DG Times regarding the latest TSMC 3nm yields, this processing power is coming from the incredibly robust A19 Vision Pro chip. It pushes out true 8K at 240 Hz for output, locks in 120 frames per second for cinema playback, and handles 4K at 240 Hz in gaming mode. This picture AI engine is 5 times more powerful than anything Apple has ever shipped for the living room. So even if you're just watching a compressed live sports stream, it's going to look significantly better. But I hear some of you already typing. What if you don't even own an 8K screen? Are you just paying for specs you'll never use? Ross Young recently pointed out that Apple is implementing a smart resolution mode. Before a single pixel renders, this box reads your entire setup. It analyzes your exact TV size, the panel type, your live internet bandwidth, and even your physical viewing distance. Then it automatically adjusts to the perfect output. Maybe that's HDR 1080p on a bedroom TV, or maybe it pushes 120 frames for sports on a massive living room display. You never have to touch a confusing settings menu. What resolution are you guys currently running on your main living room setup right now? Let me know down in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious how many of you are still rocking 1080p panels. Now, let's talk about the absolute most frustrating thing about the current Apple ecosystem. It's called an Apple TV, but it doesn't actually play live TV. You still need a clunky cable box or a secondary antenna hooked up to a totally different input. Mark Gurman just broke the news that the Apple TV Vision Pro introduces the Vision TV Tuner dock. You can finally connect an over-the-air antenna and pull live network channels directly into the seamless Apple TV interface. No third-party workarounds. It allows you to pause, rewind, and record live television seamlessly. The base model is rumored to ship with 2 terabytes of internal storage, which is wild for a streaming box. You can even hook up an external SSD for limitless DVR storage. Speaking of external drives, Shrimp Apple Pro just confirmed a feature that tech enthusiasts have been begging for since the Steve Jobs era. The new box includes a dedicated Thunderbolt USB-C port. You can plug in a drive and instantly play local MKV files, MP4S, and raw ProRes HDR content. A local media browser pops up natively. There is no mandatory iCloud uploading and no frustrating file conversions. Just offline movie playback with full HDR support. Honestly, I'll believe it when I see it. But if it's true, this justifies the upgrade for anyone hoarding a 15-year-old movie library on hard drives. There's also a massive fix for anyone who consumes educational content or long podcasts. If you speed up a YouTube video to 1.5x or 2x, YouTube aggressively throttles the bitrate. Your crisp 4K stream suddenly looks like a muddy 720p mess. Apple TV Vision Pro uses high-speed quality lock to negotiate directly with the stream, holding it at full 4K or AI upscaled 8K regardless of your playback speed. If you watch hours of tutorials every week, this is going to be your new daily driver feature. Home theater nerds, your long nightmare is finally over. The current Apple TV completely strips out lossless audio, leaving your expensive AV receiver processing a heavily compressed Atmos signal. Mac. Otakara confirms that full lossless audio pass-through is officially here. Dolby True HD, DTS HD Master Audio, and uncompressed 7.1 LPCM are all supported via full bitstream output. Your receiver actually gets the raw audio it was designed to decode. But if you don't have a massive receiver, the LEC is reporting a massive update to HomePod Cinema Sync. You can now link up to 5 HomePods to create a wire-free 5.1 surround system. The A19 chip uses AI room mapping to calculate acoustics, boost center dialogue, and auto-calibrate the bass every single time someone bumps into a speaker. This hardware isn't just a streaming stick anymore. It is a full living room console. Apple Arcade Pro will run at 120 frames per second natively. The hardware supports cloud gaming and even early ray tracing concepts. Plus, it serves as the ultimate Siri AI home brain. With full Matter and Thread Hub support built right in, it manages your security camera grid, enforces kids' content locks, and handles 4K FaceTime calls using Center Stage right from your couch. This is the ultimate hub for seamless integration. The only question left is the price. Because Apple can fix every single complaint, pack in the A19 chip, and still price themselves out of the market. Would you actually pay a premium for a box that fixes the living room forever?